BC motivational class today.
Thank you, sir.
Today, I will tell you the secrets of success. Everyone, all the students are here, and everyone have only one goal. We want to improve our English fluency. That is the reason. So before going to start up my talk, I will tell you the importance of English speaking. Today, the popularity of English speaking is increasing very fast. In the various field, as a safety officer, you are here to get a knowledge from the National Institute of Safety and Technical Management. So once you can get the certificates from here, the owner can help you to finding a job. But what is the right criteria? How we can get a job is that once you can complete our course, and we have to face a interview, and in the interview client may be asked a questions. Mr. Sharma, tell me what is the introduction about you, or introduce about you. So if you don't have a talent, how to introduce about yourself? You have to face a problem. So first things, we should know that English speaking is the most important as a safety officer, because all one is a performing here as a safety officer training and certificates are you can earn more money. Everyone have a goal to earn more money. If you want to earn more money, then you need to good company, and if you want to go a good company have a special requirement. They want to know you. Each and every safety officer should be good speaker, because in the side he can handle a situation and he can try to handle with client. You are a safety officer and you have a lot of responsibility at the side. But overall, I am not talking about only the safety officer. I am telling you that English speaking is the important, and in my this motivational class, I will tell you the secrets and all the elements I will use, and I will teach you which will help you in the way of speaking. Because everyone have a target. Sir, I want to be a good speaker. So how you can be a good speaker until you will not be follow the rules and regulations? So first things, before going to start topic communication, I want to tell you that basic English is the very important. What?
Basic
English. So if you know the basic English, what is the meaning of the basic English? Basic English means you should know the tense. Because if you know the tense, anyone is going to ask a question, translate it, and if you don't know the tense, how you can translate it?
Yes.
So what is the importance? We should know in this sentence it belongs from a which tense and what is the nature of that one. If you know, then you can easily translate it. So it is the most important basic English. What that?
Basic English.
So through the basic English, we can suppose that if you want to stand here, what is the main and important part of the body is the backbone. Same like that, in English speaking, we need to know basic English. So once we know the basic English, similarly after that, what should we do? What should we do? Because we have to follow the some of the procedure, guideline, schedule. Because you know, if I will teach you today, how can you be a success? Or you have seen so many ads will come in the YouTube channel or Facebook or Twitter. What they say? They say, I will teach you some of the secret key of success. So there are many organizations and they tell us that we have a limited seats. You can join it and book it now. I will teach you a secret key of success and you will start speaking very fast. So what they do? Nothing they will do. As per my opinion, there is only one secret key for success, or the key is a practice. What?
Practice.
Practice. Because English speaking is an art. What? English speaking is an art, and it can be developed by a practice. So if you want to really improve up your English speaking, what should you do? You should be convert up your mind in a practice. Every day you can practice it, then you can be a good speaker. Without practice, it is not possible. Even you can try to attend any kinds of organization, any kinds of extra classes, and they will teach you. But what they do only will bring you mistakes. You should try to collect your confidence knowledge. You have a confidence, then you can do some things. So confidence is the most important. You know?
Yes, sir.
Confidence is the very most important. Confidence is never, suppose that you have a lack of a confidence. You have a knowledge. So many students you have seen in your life, they have already get a more knowledge in their engineering college, even the doctor college, are so many have a category in the higher level, but all they get a knowledge. But what is the problem? Problem is that they have a no practice for speaking. So knowledge is a different things, but if you want to improve of your practice, need to involve yourself in a practice. Until you will not going to practice day by day, you cannot develop your communication effort. So this is the most important, my dear student. I want to tell you, please follow the rules and regulation. Without it, it is not possible. How can I be a good speaker? So everyone have a schedule, and one thing keep it in mind. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. What? Don't be afraid to making a mistake, because mistake it will be done, but no need to afraid कि what he will think about me. What he will think about me. Maybe if I will speak wrong, he will be think about me. He is not educated. So it is not my language. It is the language of a foreign country, and we can understand it, we can do the hard work, we can communicate it. Okay?
Yes.
So don't be afraid to making a mistake. You can do mistake, and practice makes perfect. Okay? So this is the rule. If you work with communication, you will get better. If you will work with communication, you will get better. So every student should have a schedule, and you have to be pay attention home, and need to revise it, complete your homework, practice it, and important thing is that need to discuss in a group. In a group, you will try to participate it, your confidence level will be increased. Okay? So first things need to increase the confidence level. Or if you want to increase the confidence level, what would be happen? You will be getting a lot of encourage inside, from the inside. Okay? So first things, Mr. Anil Bharti, tell me that suppose that you have a one of your goal. You want to earn more money. That is the reason you join this institute and taking a training from here. So why English is speaking most important for you?
So my goal is safety officer.
Okay.
And because another country, so in more money and knowledge expand. Knowledge is very important.
Okay.
My human life.
Okay, very good. So this is the important. He has a goal. Once he can get the knowledge from this institute, and he will be a good speaker, then he will go to the foreign country, and he will go to the foreign country, he will earn a more money. Okay, sit down. So this is the important. Everyone have a target. All the students are here. Everyone have a target. Everybody want to earn more money. It's true?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So money is the most important for everyone. I am also here. Speaker is making money. Is it true or not? Is it true? I am as a speaker. So every speaker is making money. So money is the most important for each and everyone. Okay? So that is the most important. So how we can deliver it? How we can do it? How we can achieve it? we need to understand everyone well. Okay? So please be make sure. Okay, Mr. Sarma, stand up and tell me that you are here and you look to your family and you join this institute and taking a training. So what is your goal of your life? The goal of your life is you want to do something in your life, no? So what do you want to do?
I do very hard work
Okay,
in my life
okay,
and practice.
okay, very good, good job. Because everyone want to success in life. Everybody. So success is a not in a first time you will success. Maybe you will fail. So don't think that if I will fail, will not be success. Failure means if you are going to fail or if you fail means you get a more experience. What? More experience and experience and experience and experience means these kinds of more experience and this experience can help you to be a success. Okay? So please, it is the most important that in everyone, if we have joined any kinds of a motivational class, so which motivational class, how it helped me? How it helped me? Because in a motivational class, motivation is a significant overall growth of your mind as well as personality. As well as personality. So you know if you want to improve, the two things I want to tell you. One thing is the motivation and second thing is the communication. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One is a communication, second motivation. So without communication we cannot motivate. But if you can, we can motivate without communication. No. It's not possible. So that is the reason we can communicate without motivation, but without communication we cannot motivate. So this is the most important. Both one is helping each other, and we want to express yourself or you want to deliver a message, need to pay attention. Attention is a very most important to all of you. Okay? So that is very important. And what is the next thing, sir? Our commitment. What?
Our commitment.
Commitment is the most important. If our commitment is that I will do it, I will do it. Surely you will do it. Okay? So commitment is my friends. 20 days I will not speak one of a Hindi sentence. So if you are going to the strong commitment in front of your friends, so what you will do? You will not use one of a Hindi sentence. If you meet your friend, you try to talk with him. Yes, how are you? What is going on? What happened about yesterday? I want to mention everything. If you go in family, in your family, you can meet to your younger brother or even your elder sister. You can try to talk with her in English because it is your commitment. What? It is our commitment. And commitment is not only for here, commitment is everywhere. If you are going to anywhere, you have to try to speak in English. One thing I want to tell you that is the most important. Since in a childhood, I am telling out the story of those kids. If suppose that in your family have a small kids, the age of the kids is approximately 1 year. So he has no sense. He has no sense to know what is a right or what is a wrong, or even he don't know the name of anything. But their member of a family try to teach him that is a water, that is a glass, that is a pen, that is a book. So all these things he learned from family. He learned from family because he has no idea. That is the reason someone say the primary college of the life is my family. My family teach me about each and everything. Later on, we go in a primary college. So primary college, we can get a primary information, but initial information we get from my parents. It's true?
Yes, sir.
So same like that. One thing I want to tell you, कि all kids born genius, all kids born genius, but I trust my society. So if you want to be, let him avoid from trust, what should you do? You should avoid him from the bad society. You should avoid him from the bad society and try to provide for them in a right atmosphere, because in a village area, what the teacher, so many people say कि अब your kids are not good going for education, or he has a no interest for education, let him simply in a village area, a city area. Why? Because गांव में लोग इसलिए बोलते हैं कि जो बच्चा आपका नहीं पढ़ता है गांव में, तो लोग बोलते हैं कि पढ़े तो पढ़ाओ, नहीं तो शहर में बसाओ। वो क्यों बोलते हैं? इसलिए कि वो शहर में जाएगा और शहर के माहौल में वो क्या करेगा? सीखेगा। इसीलिए ना, तो हमको ज्यादा जानकारी हमको अच्छे माहौल से मिलती है। We can get more knowledge from the good society. We can get more knowledge from the good society, and we are responsible for a good society. We have a sense now. Everyone is here more than 20, and you have a sense what decision I will take can make my life in success.
Yes.
True?
Yes, true.
Suppose that you, after complete of the 1 year diploma, and you want to do some another course. You want to do some another course which can help you for your future. It is not sufficient. That course and that documentation is not sufficient. So I am not specific talking about only for the safety officer or for the specific of you. Anyone who want to be a good speaker, what should you do? You have to give a sacrifice. You have to give a sacrifice. So many people say that hard work is the key for success, but this hard work should be in the right way. Should be in the right way. So always we need to think that one, because in my life I have seen so many students are well educated. They can get a training knowledge from the any kinds of the engineering college or a medical college, but they don't have a problem. They don't have a knowledge for a speaking. So speaking is a one art and need to develop it. Okay? Everyone is here because I told you in the initial of my space the importance